Hey, what's up, Dogecoin holder? Dogecoin holder, this time I have very bad news for all Dogecoin holder because as you can see, my friend, the Cardano, the Dogecoin, all crypto market, my friend, you can see this time the change occurs. So exactly, the change occurs will be very badly fails down. So what's the main reason, my friends, to the change occur will be fails down? Absolutely, I will tell you in this video, and we predicate this coin to what's going on, and absolutely I will update you. So this time, my friends, the the Dogecoin price is completely fails down from 0.7 USD dollar to 0.2 USD dollar. So it's a very bad fails. But I will tell you, my friend, in this video to why they fails down, and can there is a chance so they will wake up and they will give you a profit or not. So kindly, before I get started video, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notifications. So thank you so much for subscribing our YouTube channel. The last 7 days chart is on the screen. Minus 17%. The price is decreased now. So it's mean to the price is decreased now. It's mean, my brothers, to upcoming time there is a lot of chances so they will fail us down. And you can say, my friend, the last 24 hours, so minus 4.99%. The price is fails down. Last 1 hour, minus 1.44% falls down. So it's mean, my brothers, to the price is completely decreasing hour by hour, minute by minute, and there is no chance today will take a jump. So exactly after this chart, my friend, explanation, I am going to share my opinion of absolutely everything now. So this time, as you can see, my friend, this chart is absolutely going to show you, my brothers, to upcoming time there is a lot of chances they will wake up. But definitely you can see, my friend, it is very important to I will explain you. This time you can see after this fails they will take a jump. Exactly, they will take a jump. But after this fail, I am 100% sure they will take a jump like this fails. You can see here, this fails absolutely. After this fails they will take a jump. So therefore I'm 100% sure, so after this fail they will also take a very huge jump now. So exactly, the good time is coming soon, holders. Just in only you need to hold and wait for a good time, because I'm 100% sure this is the formula of crypto market. To after a fails they will take a jump, because after a fails a lot holders starting selling. So therefore after a sale also starting buying. So therefore you can see, my friend, this circulation is completely gone now. So Dogecoin holder, hope you understand something new in this video. Please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type of prediction videos. My opinion is to hold it, don't sell it.